Once again, you are welcome to the class, and we are continuing on lesson notes from our human nutrition. We are now discussing lesson 10, nutrition and growth monitoring. Nutrition and growth monitoring. Let's now go into the discussion proper. Now, under the nutrition and growth monitoring, let's see the definition of growth monitoring. Growth monitoring is essential in assessing the nutritional status of populations, particularly in children and vulnerable groups. Now, the regular measurement of growth indicators such as weight, height, BMI will help in identifying potential health or nutritional issues that very early. Proper nutrition supports optimal growth. That's vice versa. They work together. When there's proper nutrition available, it will enhance optimal growth of the population, especially during key development stages such as infancy, childhood, and adolescence. Proper nutrition should be made available for babies. Also, key developmental stages like you've known in infancy, childhood, and adolescence. Remember, we are talking about nutrition and growth. And undernutrition can lead to stunted growth, weakened immune systems, and developmental delays. Overnutrition, often caused by excessive intake of calories, sugars, and fats, leads to obesity and associated health problems such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Let's continue. Under methods of growth monitoring, we do that in 3 ways. We use the anthropometric measurements. That includes weight, height, and mid-upper arm circumference, and BMI are used to assess nutritional status. So we use the anthropometric measurements when we talk about growth monitoring. The second one, we talk about growth charts. This is used to compare a child's growth against standardized references so that it can identify any deviations from the expected growth patterns. Now, the importance of early detection. Early identification of malnutrition or growth issues will actually lead to timely interventions, because when it is detected early, the right decisions are made early, and implementation is made possible using these data, using this detection that we have been able to bring to bear. And so early identification of malnutrition or growth issues will lead to timely intervention such as dietary adjustment, supplementation, or medical treatment, improving health outcomes even on the long term. So it is very important that more growth is monitored, and not only monitored with early detections. A lot can be taken care of, adjusted, and good results will be obtained on the long run. So remember that the methods of growth monitoring include anthropometric measurements, number 1, number 2, growth charts, and number 3, importance of early detection. Good. So that is that. This will be the end for lesson 10. Remember to take your notes. Remember also to ask questions if there are questions. And remember to also do 1 or 2, study on your textbook. It will add to your knowledge. But remember the nitty-gritties, as it could possibly form your exam questions. Thank you.